Acha, all of you have come
Acha.
running to celebrate the new year.
Vous êtes tous venus en courant célébrer le
It
nouvel
is
an.
good, and it is a full house.
D'une
Acha,
maison.
did you have enough water?
C'est à
Did you
guichet
have
fermé
water?
ce soir. Acha.
Congratulations to
Félicitations à
those
ceux
who make the
qui
effort
ont fait
to
l'effort
bring water.
d'apporter de l'eau.
Providing water for
Apporter de
so
l'eau
many thousands is not a matter of bringing
pour
2
plusieurs
or 4
milliers. C'est pas une
buckets.
petite chose comme apporter 2
From
ou
tomorrow, it
4
will be the time for the
chaudières ou
gathering to
seaux.
go back.
À partir de demain, ce sera le temps d'en
Have you
ramasser.
all had a comfortable stay?
Êtes-vous
A small
confortablement
storm gave you a
installé?
test.
Il y a un petit orage
There were
qui vous a
some
donné,
strong
qui a fait une
winds.
tempête.
Were all of you
Il y
okay?
a certains vents
Were
forts.
the Pandavas okay?
Est-ce que les pandaves sont OK? Ça va?
It is good. It is better than the Kumbh Mela, is it not? At least you received 3 feet of land. You may not have had a bed, but at least you had 3 feet of land. In the new year, children everywhere in this land and abroad, are seeing the ceremony for the new year. They're seeing it through their intellects and hearing through their ears. Everyone in Madhuban is also watching this. Those from Madhuban played their parts of doing service as protectors of the yajna very well. Together with those from this land and abroad, Bab Dada is also congratulating those who are instruments for service in Madhuban. Acha, many cards have been received. All of you can see the cards that have come. The cards are not as important as the love in the hearts that is hidden in them. Therefore, Bab Dada doesn't look at the beauty of the card, but sees with how much invaluable love from the heart they are filled. So, all of you have sent love from your hearts. So, to all such loving souls, personally, Bab Dada does not mention everyone's name. Doesn't mention everyone's name. Bab Dada is responding to those cards with regard, filled with love. Letters of remembrance, telephones, emails, by computer, whatever facilities there are before you use them. Bab Dada first receives all of those through your thoughts. They come on your computers and email afterwards. The love of the children reaches Bab Dada all the time. But today, many have written their special plans for the new year. Today, many have written their special plan, have made promises, and also had the courage to let the past be the past and move forward. Bab Dada is telling all of you, well done, children, well done.
शांति अव्यक्ति परिवार में आपका
Om
स्वागत।
Shanti. Welcome to Avyakti Parivar. Today is third, day 3. Have a loving intellect in order to become a victorious jewel.
आज का टॉपिक है हर
Today's
संकल्प
topic is every
वर्ण
thought
वचन
and word
श्रीमत
according to
में
Srimad,
अव्यक्त इशारे
the Avyak signal. Those who have a loving intellect cannot have
विपरीत
a single
एक
thought
संकल्प भी
that is
नहीं
against
उठा
Srimad.
सकते
If your
अगर श्रीमत
thoughts,
के विपरीत
words, or
संकल्प
actions are against
वचन
Srimad,
व कर्म
that is
होता
not
है
said to be having
तो उसको
a
फिर
loving
भी
intellect.
नहीं कहेंगे।
So check. Is my every
चेक
thought and
हर
word according to
संकल्प व
Srimad?
वचन श्रीमत
Those who move
प्रमाण है।
along according to Srimad
श्रीमत
are
प्रमाण चलने वाले
always victorious.
सदा
Those who move
विजयी
along
रहते हैं।
according to Srimad are
आइए
always
मनोबल से
victorious. Now we'll
सुनिए।
listen Shanti.
ओम शांति। किसी ने कहा कि क्या जब हम बोलते हैं तो बोलने से पहले संकल्प आता है क्या?
Someone said, when we speak, does the thought arise even prior to speaking?
संकल्प फिर बोले,
So we first have a thought and then they speak. But many of them, they don't
संकल्प
even
है तो हम
realize
बोल कब रहे
when
हैं?
they had a thought and when they
फिर
spoke.
कहते हैं मैं तो
And
ये
then they
करना ही नहीं
say,
था।
oh, I
ऐसे
never
कैसे
wanted to say
कहेंगे?
this. I don't
बस
know
सोच का
how I said it.
अटेंशन नहीं होता है कि मैंने ऐसा
Because when you
सोचा है,
don't have
इसलिए बोला।
attention on what you're thinking, it
जीवन
happens.
में
In life,
स्वभाव है, अपनी
our
कुछ
nature,
आदत होती है।
we also have certain
तो
habits.
जिसको अपने बाबा से प्यार तो है ही, पर अपने जीवन
So
का
you do
मूल्य
have love for Baba, but there is also
हमारे जीवन का
value
मूल्य
for
है हमारे
self. Our
सोच पर,
value of our life is based on our
जिनकी जीवन
thinking.
मूल्यों के आधार पर है, वैल्यूज पर है,
The one whose life is based on
उनके
virtues and
सोचना इस प्रकार
values,
से होता है।
and their thinking will
वो
also be
सोचते हैं
based
कि मैंने कुछ
accordingly.
भी कर लिया, कुछ भी
Those who think, oh, whatever I want to think, whatever I had to do, I
ये
do.
जो
So even when
अच्छे
you look
घराने
at the
से होते
Lokik,
हैं,
those who are from
उनको
very
पता
good
होगा कि
families,
कॉलेजेस भी उस तरह के होते हैं।
so the
जैसे
colleges are
प्रिंसेस
also
का जो
accordingly.
कॉलेज होता
You
है,
know, they have Prince and
उनमें देखा
Princesses
कितनी
College.
ट्रेनिंग मिलती है कि फिर
They
ऐसे
get so
उठोगे,
much
फिर
training how
ऐसे
to get up,
बैठोगे, फिर ये कर
how to
लोगे,
sit, then you will
खाने
do
पर
this.
बैठते हैं
When you sit at the
तो
dining
थोड़ा
table,
शांति
how
करो,
you have to,
आवाज मत करो।
appropriately eat
कहीं की चम्मच
without
से ऐसे
making
ऐसे करते
sound.
हैं, घंटी
Some
बजती रहती है,
people use their
खाना
spoon and
खाते
keep
रहते
making
हैं,
as if they're ringing a bell
उनको
when
बुरा
they're
नहीं
eating.
लगता है।
They don't even
उनको
feel
लगता है
bad
कि
that they're doing because they're not
तो
trained.
एक सभ्यता होती है,
So
रॉयल्टी
there is a
होती है
decency, there's
कि हम बाबा
royalty,
के हैं।
and
तो
we belong to
सोचना
Baba.
जो है ना हमारा,
So our thinking.
जैसे मैंने उस दिन एक बार बताया
So
था,
that day, once I
दादी
had
जानकी कहती थी
mentioned that
सोचने
Dadi
से
Janki,
पहले
you
तो
said,
सोचो,
think before you
सोच के
think,
सोचो, क्योंकि फिर
think,
सोच
and
आ
then
जाता है
think
ना,
after thinking.
तो कहते हैं हमारे मन में संकल्प आया।
So you say, I had this thought in
सबके
my
हैं कि
mind.
मनमत पर चलने की भी
So
एक
if
आदत है।
it's a habit
मेरा
to
मेरा
walk on
मन
my
ये कर
own
रहा है, मैं ये
dictates of my
करूँ, मेरा
mind.
मन ये कर रहा
My
है।
mind is telling me to do this and I do this.
हम
So I'm
लोग
following
ये
the dictates
श्रीमत
of my
क्या
own
है,
mind. So what is
तो हम अपने
Srimat?
मन की बात सुनते
And
हैं।
then you
ये
listen
नहीं कि
to
हम मन
the
को ही
voice
मन
of your
करते
mind.
रहेंगे, जो
It's not that you're
मन करो।
suppressing your mind and you're not saying, oh,
पर
please
कईयों
don't
ने जो
think.
मन में सोचा होता है ना, वो ही करेंगे।
But many of them do exactly what they
हमारा
think
फिर
in
ये
their
होता है कि
mind.
श्रीमत क्या कहती
And we
है,
think, what is Srimat?
और फिर चलो मन में इच्छा है तो कोई मना तो नहीं
And
है
if
ना।
there is any desire, okay, we don't
कई बार ऐसा होता है,
say
चाहे
no
वो
to that.
हमारी ड्यूटी है,
Whether it's our
चाहे वो हमारी
duties,
दोस्ती
whether it is
व्यवहार है,
our
उसके
day-to-day
बारे में कई बातें होती
interactions,
हैं।
there are many things that happen.
लौकिक अलौकिक का संतुलन है,
And there is a balance of
कदम कदम
Lokik and
पर कहते
Alaukik. At
श्रीमत
every
क्या कहती
step,
है, वो मन क्या
as
कहता
if
है।
you have to see what is Srimad saying and what is our
और फिर
mind
कई
saying.
बड़ी सूक्ष्म,
And
तो उससे
many
क्या होता है कि एक
are
सूक्ष्म
very subtle.
मनमत पे चलने का,
In a very subtle
मनमत पर
way, they
चलने का
follow their
मतलब
own
क्या भी है
dictates of the mind very
कि
subtly.
आप आज्ञा के विरुद्ध चल रहे हैं।
So you're actually going against the obedience. I don't think any time we might have not heard of it in this deepness. Don't think we even have classes on this. Even Dadi Prakash Mani, Dadi was number one. Dadi Prakash Mani became number one. Many say that we have not seen Brahma Baba, so how do we follow? But Dadi Prakash Mani, many of you have met and seen Dadi Prakash Mani. So why does that thought even arise in our mind? We should make our mind at the stage of the mind in such a way, just like a horse, is the horse, are we riding the horse or the horse taking us on a ride? So we should ride the horse, isn't it? So if you are holding on to the reins of the horse, but sometimes the horse are so strong and wild, they will go where they want to go. So then what happens? Because of that, then Baba won't take responsibility. Baba doesn't take responsibility. I remember many times we would have a chit chat with daddies. Okay, I did this. And then Dadi would say, the Yagya won't take responsibility of you. Today, Dadis are not there. But Brijmohan Bhai is there, Nirvair Bhai is there. I call and talk to them via the phone, and you're okay, isn't it? Everything is okay with you? Mm. It's good that the elders are around and they check on us. It's good, isn't it? If if we have based our life on um, the orders of the yagya, then Baba, the yagya, the seniors of the yagya, they will have the thought and they will check on you. They'll ask, look out for you. It's a very deep aspect, but I don't know to what extent, how many of you will be able to do, even to think based on Srimad. Nowadays, in some aspect, if you might not get angry, but if there is some kind of irritation, and whatever you think at that time will be wrong, I will do this way, I'll do that way, there will be that rage inside. So someone asked, Mama, is that negative action? When I keep thinking like this in my mind, is that become like negative action? So Mama said, yes, because the seed, when the seed is not positive, so how can the fruit be positive and good? So try and see. There will be some effort that we have to put in this, that every thought is based on Srimad. Many people, because of time, of wealth, either they ask us. Baba talks about these things, but today Baba is talking about our mind, which is even more subtle, so that I have to think only based on Srimad. I'm not sure whether you're ready to implement this to this extent, because I see when there is a gathering, when somebody comes, you really enjoy. But when I ask individually, how much do you study? The first Srimad is that I listen to Murli daily. And I ask each and everyone, how are you listening to Murli? I read like this, I listen like this. So then you're not a student. Should I keep you in the list? Should we keep you in the list of a student? You have to pay attention. Otherwise, attendance won't be there. You'll be absent. So the foundation, I shouldn't be saying this, but the foundation has to be strong. Whether we're studying, when if you have studied, then there will be in dharana. Otherwise, it'll be superficial. But inside, the way we think, so every thought should be based on Srimad. Our Didi and Dadi, they would pay attention to every word that we say. We shouldn't think like that. You should. Then I would say, okay, I would not do that again next time. I've learned it. Every word that I spoke, they would correction and they would give us teachings that these would give us. Never they spoke roughly to us, never with anger. So today, so Baba is saying those who have a loving intellect cannot have a single thought that is against Srimad. If your thoughts, words, or action are against Srimad, that is not said to be having a loving intellect. So check. Is my every thought and word according to Srimad? Those who move along according to Srimad are always victorious, are always victorious. You will never fail because you've checked it at the level of your thought. So it will never manifest at the level of your words and action. Many places that I go, I used to do a lot of tour in the past. I would see how methodologically they offer bhog, how do they read the Murli. To take a number one, we need to be regular and we need to be punctual. It is not that whenever you feel like, during the time of Brahma Baba, in history hall, Murli used to go on in the history hall during Brahma Baba's time. Baba would come at 7:15 Mama would come. Mama would read them, I mean, share Murli, and then Baba would read. Baba would share Murli, sorry. The punctuality of Baba, he would never be even a minute late. And what was his age? I have seen Baba. We hosted Baba once in Delhi for 21 days. There was a big student who was very well known. He had a big bungalow and many people would come. And it was my duty to take Baba, escort Baba to Murli, to take him on stage. The kitchen was quite far. So we are Karmayogi, so we were occupied. And when it was time for Murli, I would almost run because I was very young, 22. Baba would stand at the back and look. And then I would take Baba, come. Baba never said about punctuality, but he was so punctual. If anybody wants to take want to claim a high status, whether they are military officers, they're very disciplined. They will reach their duty on time. These are all small things, but you need to practice. I always share, whether I was in school and was an exam, I would always reach beforehand. So let's sit down and relax and then go. Many will just rush in. They're in a hurry and reach at the last minute. Those who are like that, we're adjusting with them. But internally, what do I feel? Okay, let's reach 2 minutes before. Otherwise, everybody's thoughts start to run. So there are many things in detail, but the intention that I wanted to say is to do good quality effort. So you will be a very good example. Everybody will say, look at them. So whenever I come, it's always seated here. So in this month, there are a lot of deep and deep aspects that is going to come. Don't lose hope. Don't think that I'm not going to come from tomorrow. This is a very high effort to make. No, you have reached so far, you will also move ahead. Make high elevated effort, have a high aim, and Baba will automatically help you. Om Shanti.
अव्यक्त मुरली रिवीजन 1969 से
Object Murli Revision from 1969. Jewels of knowledge and pearls of love.
अव्यक्त वाणी
So, Avyakt Murli is 23rd September 1973. World's sovereign souls are those who give light and might to the souls of the world. The more humble you remain, the more successful you will be able to carry out the task of renewal. If there isn't humility, you would not be able to carry out the renewal. In order to carry out the renewal, you first need to be humble. Therefore, no matter what the task is or what the circumstance in front of you are, constantly remember one slogan. There is a saying on the path of ignorance, you first, which means that to make others move forward first is to make the self move forward. For the self to bow down and teach the self. To make the self bow down is to make the world bow down in front of oneself. Therefore, let there always be this attitude, vision, and words for one another. You first. Do not ever forget the slogan. Never through his thoughts, words, or action has Bab Dada ever taught you I first. He always kept the children ahead. He always placed his attitude and vision first.
सदैव बच्चों को पहले लाए, इस दृष्टि व वृत्ति को आगे रखा। इस प्रकार फॉलो फादर करने वाली हर
As the
आत्मा
page changes, I can continue to read.
फॉलो फादर करेंगी तो सफलता 100% गले की माला बनेंगी।
If every soul who follows the Father in this way, then they can become the rosary of 100% success around the neck of the Father. If instead of you first, you have the thought, I first, even if one soul has this thought or even speaks or acts that it should be I first, then understand that one bead from the rosary of success is broken. Even if one bead of a rosary breaks, it affects the whole rosary. Therefore, you have to make it firm for yourself in this aspect that together with the self, you also have to constantly try to make the gathering very successful in this lesson so that not even one bead from the rosary of victory can become separated. When you make such effort and carry out this task, then you will be able to hoist the flag of victory over your kingdom. Acha, the rest of the Murli will be continued tomorrow. Om Shanti.
अच्छा, आगे की मुरली कल सुनेंगे। ओम शांति।
ओम शांति। आज की
Today's topic is constant happiness experienced through spirituality.
खुशी अनुभव होती।
I'm
Yeah.
saying this to you all that the power of spirituality is given
आत्मिकता की शक्ति देता है।
by yours and mine, supremely beloved Shiv,
परम
the
प्यारा
Supreme Soul.
शिव परमात्मा पिता
He's always called as bestower of happiness, bestower of
सुखदाता,
peace,
शांति दाता,
bestower of happiness and peace,
ज्ञान
bestower
का
of
दाता,
knowledge,
शक्तियों का
and
दाता।
bestower of powers.
जो हम
So our Father is the
दाता है,
bestower of
सर्व
all
प्रकार
things in all ways. The one is
खुशियां
giving
देने
us
वाला।
happiness.
तब
Then I
हम
ask
कहते
you the
हैं कि गम
question,
किस चीज का?
what is causing sorrow?
आप कहेंगे जीवन में गम
You will
आता
say
है।
sorrow comes in life.
और हम
And I'm
सोचते हैं
asking,
कि गम
what is
किस
sorrow?
चीज का?
What is
किस
it
बात का
that you
गम
feel
करते हैं?
sorrow about? Shiva,
शिव
the
परमात्मा
Supreme
पिता,
Soul, the Supreme Father, whose praise you sing.
जिसको आप महिमा में गाएंगे।
You sing that
तुम
you
सुख का
are
दाता हो,
bestower of
शांति दाता।
happiness, bestower of peace.
कभी ऐसे नहीं
Never
कहा
did you
कि
sing
दुख
that you are
दाता हो,
bestower
गम
of sorrow or suffering,
कहा
suffer,
है क्या?
suffering. Have you said so?
तो
So the
दाता हमें
bestower
देता
gives you
है
happiness, joy, love, powers for
सुख,
everyone. He is the bestower.
खुशी, प्यार, शक्ति
This is happiness, joy, love, powers
सर्व
for
के लिए
everyone. He is the
वो
bestower.
दाता है। ऐसे नहीं कि
It isn't
किसी के
that
लिए दुख
for
का
some
दाता है,
he is
किसी के लिए
bestower
सुख
of
का दाता
happiness
है।
and for others is the bestower of sorrow. No.
ये दुख सुख का
The
कारण
reason for sorrow and happiness
मनुष्य अपने
is
आप है।
man himself. The reason is that
उसका
human
कारण
beings
ये
have
है कि
forgotten
मनुष्य अपने
themselves. Who am I
आपको भुलाया
and
है।
whose
मैं कौन हूँ?
child am I?
और मैं किसका संतान हूँ?
Who am I and whose child am I?
ये
This is
भुलाया है और
forgotten,
मान लिया है
and instead
मैं
they have
फलाने का
forgotten.
बेटा हूँ, फलाने की बहू हूँ,
I'm
बाप
so
का
and
हूँ,
so's
मैं ये हूँ,
son, so
तेरा
and so's
तेरा ये
daughter in law, so and so's
तो
husband,
ये
this
सब
and
जो
that.
अपनी
So, in all
अपनी
of these creations of the mind
मन की
that have been
रचनाएं होती
created
है,
individually,
उस सब
together with the
रचनाओं में
creation, you're also experiencing
साथ
sorrow
में
in
दुखों
that.
का अनुभव कर रहे हो।
So, I ask you all this question.
मैं आप
This
लोग
is
से
a
पूछती
cycle,
हूँ,
and in which there
ये
is
सृष्टि
nature's
चक्र
law.
है जिसके अंदर ये एक प्रकृति का नियम है। दिन पीछे
That
रात, रात
after day it will be night, and after
तो पहले
night
इसी
there
पर
is
ही गम
day.
करो, हे रात तू
So
आती
first
क्यों
take
हो,
sorrow
हे दिन
from
तू
this
सदा
only,
क्यों नहीं रहते हो,
that hey
कभी
night,
करो
right? Sometimes you should.
होगा
Would you experience sorrow? No,
नहीं।
no. So
तो
for a
युग युग
yogi,
ये
it is
सदा
already
समय
mentioned
सभी
that
गम
hot,
सुख
cold,
दुख
happiness, sorrow,
लाभ
profit,
हानि
loss,
ये प्रकृति
it's a
का नियम
nature's
है,
law.
तो
So it
होगा
will be so. Whatever has to happen will
जो
happen.
होना है
According
होगा,
to
ये
time,
टाइम अनुसार सब
everything
होता ही है।
happens.
तो गम
So
किस
why do
चीज
we
का करते
experience
किस
sorrow?
बात
Sorrow of what?
तब कहा गम होता अपने अज्ञान
Then they say sorrow is due to your own ignorance.
कान्हा भक्ति दादी के मन में थी 15 बरस की थी बाबा से मिली ओम मंडली ने जिंदगी बदली हुआ था दरस शिव नूर का भी स्वर्ग सी एक नई दुनिया दिखी रही साथ रब के जो होश की मणि है अपनी दादी, ओ प्यारी दादी।